In this channel, we will make Japanese baby food that is focused on baby's health and sense of food in the future. I want to share this with you. Let's make it! Hello Mama, nice to see you again. I'm Kana. Today we're gonna make potato puree for first stage of baby food. This recipe is great for 5 to 6 months old baby. Potatoes are called jagaimo in Japanese. Potatoes contain great vitamin C. It helps you beat the cold. Potato has high potassium and folic acid too. It's so great veggie for first stage baby food. Before I cook it, I have to tell you something. Potatoes contains solanine, which is toxins. If you don't remove, it will make your baby sick. But not the rest of potato has solanine. It's most of concentrate in eyes and skin and sprout. So never use potatoes has green skin or sprout for your baby food. So first we remove the skin and the eye carefully. So we have the eye here. I cut this part too. Then I cut small pieces. We soak potato in the water for 10 minutes to remove rest of toxin. This looks too much, but it is important for your baby because they don't have a lot of immune system yet. We put the potato on the pan. I add water until kawaii. Bring it to a boil over heat. When it boils, turn off the low heat for 10 minutes. If you need, we remove the foam. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna check with chopsticks if it's soft. Okay, it's soft. We're gonna stop the heat. I scoop them to the Suribachi. Then grind boiled potato with Suribachi. Looks good. じゃあいただきましょうか。いただきます。いただきます。食べようか。Today he cried a lot and we just stopped the video and we give up. But I learned potato has a lot of toxins, so we have to be careful to choose of that. If it has sprout, it's dangerous for the baby too. So I'm gonna try more next and we're gonna make more healthy Japanese baby food. So see you next time!